They recommended total restoration, and I said, well, that's going to be for the water absorption and dehydration of the walls and drying things out. And they said, no, it's total restoration. So they will do everything for you, which sounded great to me as a property manager. Because I placed a call at 3 in the morning to say I need someone to call me back, and he called me almost immediately and said, I'll meet you out there, let's take a look. It included getting new parts for bathroom vanities, it included wall structures were damaged, it included painting, moving furniture, lifting carpets. It was a bit of a mess. They took into effect the financial needs and limitations. It was a rental property, so they knew what they needed to do to get this up and running, and it was right before Thanksgiving, so the timelines were critical. The job was done so well, we ended up having another property pretty close in timeline that was vacated and damaged. So we really did need some total restoration in there. We got a plan together that was very financially comfortable. We have every step of the way lined out. And what's interesting with this company that's different than any other company I've worked with is that you have a plan and you have a timeline, but before your first level of work is done, they're already talking to you about the next level, and you're talking to the next group of people who will be coming in to do the next set of construction. I did go over, as I often do, to the site when no one was there. I went over on a Saturday evening to see what the demolition had looked like, and I was astonished to see that the house was immaculate. There was no debris. There wasn't a nail or a gum wrapper on the floor. All of the appliances, cabinetry, etc., were protected, well protected with tarps. It was immaculate. That's a bonus, is that there's no debris anywhere. It wasn't left there, it was removed. So the environment is totally safe all the time, not only for the workers that are coming from total restoration, but for me. I did happen into a few workers one day, and they were very busy, not sitting around, which I've had that happen before. They were very busy, very friendly, wanted to know if I had any questions, anything they could do in addition. We're very clear on, we're removing some of this hardware and here's where we're going to put it. We know you're replacing it, but you may want to look at this, so we're saving it for you. Little tiny things like that make a world of difference, that you feel like you have someone who's really caring about what they're doing with you and for you and about this property. And I have told every project manager I know, every neighbor I have, every person I talk to, that this is the only company you should be using, because the ease of service and the comfort level that you have, knowing that they're really desiring to do the right thing for you, is just unparalleled in the industry. So the very best thing about working with Total Restoration is the communication style. They're open, they're honest. You are not a project for them. You are what they hope to satisfy. And it's a real pleasure to communicate and talk with this company.